Hello and welcome to IT Master Tech News channel. Today I will show you very strange, silly thing which is happening to every iPhone in the recent iOS. At the point when you restore your iPhone or from backup or something and you reach this part, it doesn't give you the option to continue, and it says try to log in from the other device, and you click here your other device. If it's older iPhone, like older than iPhone X, you will not, it's something like you stopped here and you cannot move forward. If you come here, you go back, it says backup is completed and you cannot move on. So you are passing the skip this step for Face ID, and now you are stuck. So there is one very important thing. This part is actually movable. You can move it, and once you here, you can just skip this step and move forward. This is it. This is I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching and hope it helped you.